Girl, what you doing here?
T-Bird, oh my
No,
God.
girl, no. No, girl.
I heard you got another baby mama. And you want to hurt me. You don't even love me.
Girl, I don't want to hear that shit.
I mean, where am I supposed to live?
Girl, I ain't even know. Good.
What am I supposed to do? T-Bird, what?
Good, you too fucked up. I'll spray you with some candy, girl.
Well, at least we'll get high on some, girl.
I ain't no girl.
I mean, boy. T-Bird, is it time? Is it time, T-Bird? Don't hit me, T-Bird.
Girl, you gonna mess with me again?
T-Bird, I'm fucking sorry.
Come here. Come here, girl. Come here.
I'm hungry.
Come here, girl. That stupid ass bow hat. Get right here, girl. Get right here. Get down. Yeah, girl.
T-Bird, I'm trying.
Get up, you slutty.
It's not right. He's got another baby
Girl,
mama.
I'm out of here.
He's got another baby mama. T-Bird don't even love me.